You'll find the male bowerbird on the job in the tropical rainforests of Australia. For up to 6 months, he spends every daylight hour building an arch of straw. This bower is not a nest. It's the ultimate bachelor pad, and the bowerbird fusses over it like the most obsessive human workaholic. While other birds use bright plumage to attract females, drab bowerbirds use straw and colored objects to get potential mates in the mood for love. Each species has a particular fixation on specific colors. The fussiest collector is the satin bowerbird, who hoards anything as long as it's blue. If his bower is suitably impressive, in only 6 months a single male can mate with up to 50 females. But these guys have no time to raise a family. Females will have to build a nest and raise the chicks single-handed. That means this obsessive home decorator can afford to concentrate all his efforts on building bigger and better bowers.